Magic E, magic E. Change the sound, change the sound. From short vowel to long vowel, short vowel to long vowel. That is magic E, that is magic E. Cup, k, u, q. App, cap. Ape, cape. App, tap. Ape, tape. Sam, aim, same. Pin, pine. Not. Note. Cut, cute. Thanks for watching. Safe for your child.